Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and mount integrity. Check the battery voltage and swap to a fully charged unit. Make sure wiring is tight and fuses are correct. Once mounted, test basic on/off functions and confirm the beam clears the vehicle roofline. You do this now because a secure electrical and mechanical baseline prevents failures later. Then proceed to aim and mode checks. Make sure to wear eye protection and follow local operational rules before moving to active use. You now refine aim and learn control habits. While vehicle is stationary, set pan and tilt so the sweep covers your primary search corridor. Mark a reference point for quick re-zeroing. Choose spot mode for long-distance identification and flood for close area scanning, and use lower intensity when near civilians to avoid temporary blindness. Once done, practice slow sweeps and handoff cues with the driver. Keep motions smooth, deliberate, and timed to vehicle speed to maintain situational awareness and safety. You complete the operation by securing everything and documenting condition. Turn off the spotlight, stow controls, and fasten lens covers. Verify connectors are locked and apply corrosion protection if needed. Record runtime and battery state so you cycle spares appropriately, and recharge batteries within the manufacturer's window to extend life. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. A flicker usually means a poor ground or loose terminal. Check fuses, clean contacts, and swap batteries to isolate the fault. This single check.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.